Welcome to our channel. If you want to cast live photos from your iPhone to Chromecast to view your animated photos on a larger screen, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Google Home app on your iPhone to manage your Chromecast device. Step 3. Note that live photos from iPhone are not natively supported by Chromecast, so you will need to convert them first. Step 4. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the live photo you want to cast. Step 5. Tap the share icon and select Save as Video to convert the live photo into a standard video file. Step 6. Once converted, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone and upload the video to your Google Photos library. Step 7. Open the Google Photos app and find the uploaded video. Step 8. Tap the cast icon in the top right corner of the screen and select your Chromecast device. Step 9. The video will begin playing on your TV through Chromecast. Step 10. Alternatively, use third-party apps like Replica or AirScreen to cast live photos directly if they support the feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.